Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the transformer in this LG built-in air conditioner, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the unit's power cord. Remove the inlet cover by detaching it from the top first. Pull the air filter up and out. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two mounting screws, securing the front grille assembly. Pull the assembly out from the bottom, then lift up to detach. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove the assembly. If required, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the two rear mounting screws, securing the unit to its cabinet. Unthread the two front screws located on the left and right sides of the cabinet near the bottom. Now have an assistant help you to fully remove the unit from the cabinet and set it on a towel or blanket. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, unthread the four screws securing the support bracket. Set the bracket aside. Unthread the screw securing the control board housing cover. Lift off the cover and move the control board housing out of the way. Unthread the two mounting screws securing the transformer cover. Lift off the cover. Then unthread the four mounting screws securing the transformer to the base. Release the transformer wire harness from the two retainers. Detach the harness from the control board housing retaining bracket, then disconnect the wire connector to fully release the old transformer. To install the new transformer, align it on the base and secure it with the four mounting screws. Reposition the cover and thread the screws to secure. Now connect the wire connector to the control board and secure the wire harness in the housing retaining bracket. Secure the harness in the retainers. Reposition the control board housing. Realign the housing cover and secure it with the screw. Reposition the support bracket and thread the screws to secure. Now slide the air conditioning unit back into the cabinet. Rethread the front screws on the left and right sides to secure. Securing the unit with the rear cabinet screws is optional. Reinstall the front grille assembly by first connecting the wire connector. Make sure the vent lever is accessible just below the horizontal louver as you insert the upper tabs into the slots in the frame. Then position and snap the sides of the grille into place. Rethread the two mounting screws to secure. Realign the air filter by positioning the bottom edge first, then snap the top of the filter into place. Align the inlet cover hinge tabs with the slots in the grille assembly, then snap the top portion of the cover into position. Plug the power cord back in, and the air conditioner should be ready for use.